the Mad Scientist Talk Show, a place to see how much fun science can be. We have a special treat for you. Our guest is from the best middle school in the world, Feagin Middle School. She is a first place state winner of the Georgia Science and Engineering Fair. Join me in welcoming Miss Sabina Bannett. So, how do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Well, I know the audience has some questions to ask you, but I wanted to give you an opportunity to talk about science fair.
Of course. The purpose of the science fair is to solve a scientific problem, all within the framework of a organized logical thought and study.
Wow. Okay, so you obviously know what you're talking about because you got first place at region and state. So please tell us a little bit about your state and region science fair experience.
Well, when I walked into the Museum of Aviation, where the regional science fair was held, I was amazed to see so many projects. I mean, there must have been hundreds. All I could think was OMG. It seems a bit overwhelming at first, but there was no need to worry. It was fun setting up, meeting other participants, and the judges were super nice.
Okay, so what was the best part about science fair?
The best part was receiving first place and knowing that I would continue to experience the state. The state science fair was held in Athens, Georgia at UGA. Go Dogs! At first, I was nervous, but then I realized it was the same as regional, only different participants and different judges. Since this event was away from home, I had the chance to stay overnight and enjoy doing things like bowling, eating at some really great restaurants, and of course doing what girls do best, shopping. I didn't think it could get any better until they announced my name. I actually placed first. It was a proud moment for me and my school.
Well, audience, we'll let you ask a few questions after we come back from a short commercial break.
Hi, I'm Ethan Berry, the Rocket Guy, and I'm here to sell you the Rocket 2000. It's 2 payments of $19.99, and it could be yours.
Welcome back to the Mad Scientist Talk Show. We're here with our special guest Sabina Bannett, and now we're about to ask some questions from the audience.
Okay, yes. What was the purpose of your science fair?
The purpose of my project was to see which artificial sweetener would grow yeast best. I chose this project to see which sweetener would be a better substitute for baking purposes.
Thank you, Sabina. Does anyone else have any questions? Okay, you in the front. Yes?
How did you feel when you were announced as a state qualifier?
At first, it caught me off guard because I didn't expect to win. Then I was so happy that my hard work had paid off.
Oh, you look like you have a question, young man.
Yeah, what was your favorite part of the science fair?
I have to say that my favorite part about the whole experience was the whole experience itself. Learning new things, meeting new people, and just having fun.
Okay, does anyone else have a question? Yes?
Oh my stars, I'm so nervous. I have heard nightmares about science fair and I've never done it. I'm just so scared. I don't think I can do it. Can you just give me some tips and advice on what I need to do to get through this whole experience?
Well, first of all, there's no need to freak out. After you've chosen a project, you want to make sure you work in a timely manner. Break the task into smaller, more manageable parts so you don't get stressed out. Before going to the fair, make a checklist of all the things you'll need. You also might encounter rain like I did, so make sure to protect your board. A big trash bag works great. Then the most important thing is to bring your smile and just be yourself. And someone get her a barf bag.
Can I have your autograph?
I'm sure, right after the show.
Thank you, Sabina, for taking time to answer our questions. And tune in next week for our special guest, Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Till next time.
We hope you all have enjoyed the skit that we put together from the Science Fair Committee. What we've tried to do is to take the negative connotation off of the term science fair. Because here at Feagin Mill, we believe science fair is fun. It's a challenging project, but it's very well worth it. I want to remind you throughout the whole process, remember the 7 steps to the scientific method.
Step 1. State the problem. This is when you choose a topic you are interested in and then you come up with a scientific question that you would like to ask.
Step 2. Research. Once you decided your topic, use credible resources such as nonfiction books, encyclopedias, and reliable websites to develop the hypothesis.
Step 3. Form a hypothesis.
This is when you develop a prediction of what you expect to happen in the experiment. Make sure you use an if-then statement.
Oh, hi. Step 4, experiment. This is when you test your hypothesis. You actually have to construct and conduct an experiment in an attempt to approve or disprove your hypothesis.
Oh, hi. Step 5, record and analyze data. This is when you write down your observations and data and create graphs to study your results.
Step 6, conclusion. This is when you sum up your results and state whether you proved or disproved your hypothesis.
Step 7, repeat the work.
Repeat the experiment to increase the validity of the results. The more times you repeat, the better.
And remember,
Science fair!
Is fun! Woo!